Chapter 10, Human Settlement. Today we will discuss about the types of urban settlement. Very first we should understand the meaning of urban settlement. The urban underlies a basic theme, one that the population size is larger than the rural areas. Second, the size of urban center are larger than the villages. Third, the function performed by the urban settlement are much bigger than the villages. So same way, every different urban settlement perform different type of functions. So depending on the size and the service available in the urban settlement, function rendered by the urban settlement, urban centers are designated as town, can be city, million city, conurbation or megapolises. Town, when a large village grow and perform some functions like manufacturing, retail and wholesale trade, and some professional service exists in that place. A town are generally larger than the village but smaller than a city. Hatin and Hudal are towns, and these towns are performing wholesale trading, professional and educational services to their surrounding villages. Next level of urban settlement is a city. City are basically a leading town. Example, Palwal is a leading town among all Haudal, Hatin, Chaisa and Hassanpur. Among all these towns, Palwal is a leading town. And a city perform larger and much greater number of economic function than a town. Same way, Palwal is also performing much greater function than the hotel and Hatin. A city tend to have a transport terminal, big financial institution, regional administrative officer. Same in Palwal. Palwal have Haryana Roadways Transport Terminal, Haryana Roadways Palwal. Big financial institution like banks, large number of banks are available here. Some regional administrative offices like district education office, district court are available in the Palwal, which are not available in these towns of Hodal, Hatin, Hassanpur and Chaisa, Mohana. Conurbation. Conurbation was coined by Patrick Geddes in 1915 and applied to a large area of a urban settlement that resulted from the meaning of originally separate towns or cities. Conurbation is a region comprising a number of cities, large towns and other urban areas through population growth, physical expansion and have merged to form one continuous urban or industrially developed area. Example in in Haryana, Yamuna Nagar, Jagadhri are some urban conurbation. Another example which you know, Greater London, Manchester, Chicago, Tokyo. In India, example of conurbation is NCR, National Capital Region, is the name for coordinated planning region which include Delhi along with the satellite towns of Sonipat, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad. And among all these things, they are going together. Next level is megalopolis. Megalopolis means great city. In Greek word is which was coined by Jean Gottman and signifies super metropolitan region extended as a union of conurbation. Example, urban landscape from Boston in the north and Washington in the south in USA. In India, Kolkata megalopolis, Delhi megalopolis comprise two or more adjacent metro cities. For example, Delhi is surrounded by Faridabad, this side Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, and all these. This is Faridabad, Gurgaon, Ghaziabad, and Delhi itself are megalopolis or some metropolitan city, and all together comprising all these, this Delhi turn into a megalopolis which include Gurgaon, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, apart from Delhi. Next are the million city. Million city with the name, as the name, a city with more than 1 million population is termed as million city. The first million city was London in 1800. This was the only first million city. And next million city in 1960, this was Paris. And today there are around 438 million city in the world, and day after day, year after year, the number of million city have been growing with the rapid increase in urban population. Then next level of urban settlement is mega city. Mega city is a city with the more than 10 million population. Example, New York is a first mega city till 1950. But today there are more than 35 mega city in the world, including Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata in India itself are mega cities of India, and in every other country there are many megapolitan cities in the world. You can see the list of mega cities of the world are this. Tokyo in Japan, Canton in China, Jakarta in Indonesia, Seoul in Korea, Shanghai in China, Delhi, India, New York in United States, Sao Paulo in Brazil, Bombay in India, Manila in Philippines, Karachi in Pakistan, Los Angeles in UAE, United States of America, USA, Osaka in Japan, Beijing in China, Moscow in Russia, Cairo in Egypt, Kolkata, Buenos, Dhaka in Bangladesh, Bangkok, Thailand, Tehran in Iran, Istanbul in Turkey, Lagos in Nigeria, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, London in Great Britain, Paris in France. And this was number of megapolitan city in 2012. And in 2020 there are more than 35 mega cities in the world.